Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahusha HaMashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo, and today is the 22nd of February 2023. It's 10:37 a.m. The initial balance was just created at 10:30. That's the first hour of trading, and I'm done with my trading for today. And let me just break down my trade on ES today. So let's see here. Grab the Epic pen. One second. Let me just make this a little smaller. So let me just go over the open on Bookmap a little bit. Alright, so we opened, we had a little selling right here. We came back to this level after we pushed up. This is the VPOC here, that's that purple line. And the red line is the trade, the session trades counter POC, right? So let's see here. Right, so we pushed up above the POC level, right? We had some buying, nice buying going up here. It was looking like we were gonna get to the overnight high, but then we started to fail, right? So we started to create lower highs, right? So see the lower highs there. I wonder if you're seeing that properly. Let me just change the color real quick. Right, so that was the high right there. Maybe let's try white. Right, so that was the high right there. Didn't get to the overnight high and created a lower high, another lower high right there. So I was observing price action and looking for the what would be the price action or the reaction at the VPOC level, right? Wait, hold on. Right, so that's VPOC there again. Looking for the reaction. We broke lower, retested this level right here, retested this whole structure, right? So that's the high volume area right there. So that was the retest, right? And then we broke down again, retested again above VPOC, and that's when the big selling came in, right? So at 10 o'clock, let me just switch over to my trading platform. Switch over to NinjaTrader, and right here is where I took my short. Took 4 micro contracts, right? Took 4 micro contracts short. Took my first partial here at let's see what's that. Well, it's right there, 4,007.75, right? So went short at 4,011.75. Took the first partial here at 4,007.75 and closed all out here at 3,998.50. So that was a change in price action right there. I mean, in hindsight, I could have probably held and got like a lower move, but it's like Tom B says, like that's just your primal nature saying, well, you should have gotten more, and stuff like that. That's just your brain running wild, right? To make it simple, so you can never see what's happening in hindsight. So it's better when you see the change in price action to just make the proper trade, right? So this was a doji candle right here, and then we started to push above that level, so that's why I took covered all right there. So let me go back to Bookmap and show that change in price action. Right, so this happened covered at what time? 10:25, right? So you see the structure right here. Let me not make it too big. stretch it out a little bit. Right. So we created this low right here, right? Got to the overnight low. Right, so that's the overnight low right there. Got to the overnight low. Pull back. Broke lower. Then we pulled back above again, and then we created this higher low right here. Big selling, but then no follow through, right? And again here, there was much selling on this breakdown lower right here, right? So the bubbles right here at the bottom is not very big, right? This one was big, but it got no follow through, and then we had buyers coming in here. The buyers, I see like there's a, that's my strength level. Let me just make this a little bigger. This is my strength level indicator. I don't have the MBO bundle just yet, so I'm using the strength indicator, and it kind of shows that might be ice buying right there, right? So 449. So I guess that green right there, that 449, that's hitting the bid, right? So that's most likely some buying right there. Then we had this move up, right? And then we had another buy ice right there. So I'm assuming it's buy ice. I'm not totally sure, right? Because this is not the MBO bundle. So this is the strength level indicator. So it's suggested that it's probably ice buying, right? So just going with the probabilities, this is looking like more buying right here in the structure. The structure is reclaiming these levels right here. Had the retest, and then it's pushing above, right? So I covered at what time was that? That was 10:25, right? So let's see here. Right, so after observing all of that, and then we're breaking these structures right here. We're breaking these highs from the structure. Let's see, pull this back a little bit. Right, so we're breaking above the structure at 10:25 here, right? And I stopped out at what, 3998.50. So let's see. So somewhere around here when I saw this, yeah, let me stretch that out a little bit. Right, so this is the second structure right here, this volume structure above the break, right? Above this resistance level right here. Had this volume structure right there, this little auction, according to Tomby, you know, this little auction right here, this little high volume area. And then we broke above with this big bubble right here. So that's when I just covered my position, right? And then after that, we retested and just ran up. So that was a good decision right there. So I think I might enter this into the competition that Bruce has. I forgot what it's called. I think it's the Blue Blazer competition or something like that. So I guess this will be a submission into there as well. And that's it. That's my trade for today. So my name is Malak Shalomo, and you'll trade safe and stay blessed.